When it comes to breakfast, Italians like to keep it short and sweet. And by that, I mean a short black and a couple of cookies to dunk in, or maybe a cappuccino and a cornetto. But in Sicily, they take the concept of sweet to the next level, and I can't wait to show you a very beautiful traditional recipe from that region. But first I need to get my hands on some ingredients, and also I think I need a bickie.
Buongiorno, how are you?
These look great. Can I have one?
Yeah, of course.
Just one for the road.
Prego.
All I need is a short black.
Whenever my friend Claudio is in town and not touring as an opera singer, one of our favourite Italian food destination is the Bosley Park Deli in Sydney's western suburbs. This place has been a home away from home for food-obsessed Italians like us since the 1950s. And the knowledge and passion that owners Enzo and Franca have about their food is a huge part of what keeps people coming back.
Coming in here, what I feel like is there's a big sense of family.
Yeah.
That comes from the way that you guys are with the customers, but also the way that customers are with you.
Yeah.
There's a beautiful sense of community.
You know, you want to have those products. You want to have that surrounding around you that makes you feel good.
It's a cultural experience, I think,
It is.
as well.
Yeah.
To find it here, you just feel like, oh, I guess Italy is not that far away. The produce you've got here is fantastic, but I think your customers come for you.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say
you bring the
I wouldn't
special.
say me. I think they come for him more because he likes to chat and talk and
He makes the coffee
make
and
him.
the
Well,
pasta.
I'm running up and down with the trolley. You know?
What is your favorite breakfast?
Ciabatta bread,
Yeah?
carne happen, olive oil, tomatoes, oregano,
Yeah.
bit of salt, and that's
That's his
breakfast.
breakfast.
And,
It's the Mediterranean diet.
My one, it's got to be sweet breakfast.
Yeah?
Absolutely, yeah, definitely. You've got to
Well,
start
I'm
off with
glad
sweet.
you said that because I'm going to make you a sweet breakfast.
Okay.
It's a bit of a surprise.
I have a special idea for the breakfast recipe I have in mind for tomorrow. Fresh berries are one of the main ingredients, and I think Claudio is gonna love it.
Of all the breakfast offerings in Italy, the Sicilians take it up a notch because they have a tradition of brioche served with gelato. Yes, for breakfast.
Sicilian brioche is famous all around Italy, a soft and fragrant delicacy typical of Sicilian cuisine. It's rich and it's soft, although it's not as buttery as the classic French one.
And of course, it all starts with building a nice dough. I'm gonna need somewhere in between 550 to 600 grams of flour. And the reason why I'm not being super specific is because I'm using 3 eggs, and eggs always vary in size. But I'd say if you start with 550, and then you can always add, oh my gosh, that's 550. And that goes in.
I'm going to be using a standing mixer. Of course, you can do this by hand, but it's a lot of hard work.
Done. And then I've got some water in here. I'm gonna dissolve some yeast, make the dough rise. And we're gonna add a little bit of sugar and 3 eggs. And down it goes. Let's wait for this to do the hard work. At this point, I'm gonna flavor it with some classic Sicilian flavors, orange and lemon zest. Sicily is the land of citrus. My sister lives in Sicily, and whenever I go visit her, I always marvel at the size and the perfume of the lemons. Back to mixing. I think it's safe now to add a little pinch of salt.
Now adding 90 grams of softened, unsalted butter and rolling it into the dough.
It's getting super sticky now. And I can see now that I can add a little bit more flour to this. Another 70 grams. because I want a really soft dough. Whenever building rich doughs like this one, I like to give it a bit of tough love and then a bit of gentle love. It seems to work. And that's it. This is our Sicilian brioche dough done. I just want to show you how gorgeous and rich and shiny this dough looks. Pop it in here, cover it until it rises. The house will smell like a Sicilian bakery. Well, it's looking really beautiful and risen. Look at that, it looks like panettone. Oh, it smells so good. It's so beautiful and smooth. And the orange, oh,
Buongiorno.
ciao! Sei arrivato al momento giusto
Davvero?
per fare le brioche.
Amazing.
You've got the goodies.
Pop it in the
in the fridge. We're shaping dough. This is the promise of something really, really good.
Absolutely.
There is one thing I am dying to do, and it's this. Look at that. It rose with a passion. It's
Yes.
Sicilian.
There you go.
I'm going to roll the dough and get Claudio to slice it into 9 even slices. And then I'll have enough dough to roll 9 little balls to put on top of each brioche.
See all the little bits of orange zest in there? You can actually smell it. It
Gorgeous.
smells like Sicily. What I want to do is get a piece and tuck it under and then roll it into a ball. And then I'll pop it onto the tray. How amazing that this is breakfast.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it's breakfast.
It's just the best idea. I love rolling dough. And then we get the little baby and we pop it on top like that. Abbiamo fatto. So now this has to rest covered for about, I don't know, 25 to 30 minutes. It has to rise a bit more. Ta-da!
Oh,
They grew
Che belli.
substantially
beautiful.
bigger.
Yeah.
Time for Claudio to brush these with an egg wash so they will come out golden and super shiny.
Okay, in the oven, 180, 20 to 25 minutes. Check them closely because every oven is different. There.
Looks awesome.
This is the moment.
Come abbiamo fatto? Bene?
Abbiamo fatto bene. Yeah, we did okay. Look at that.
Now for the gelato.
Okay, this is a hack that I've learned. The blackberries
So,
with these. With
col
the
chinotto, sì.
Because chinotto is actually a Sicilian citrus. These raspberries with the aranciata rossa, like the
Buono.
blood orange
Yes,
fizzy
yeah.
drink.
Because we bought these berries super fresh yesterday and I got them in the freezer, the frozen texture when we make this gelato is going to be unlike anything you would buy pre-made.
Like, I'm excited to show you this.
E butti dentro?
E butti dentro. And yes, you pop this in here.
A combination of these two gives us a delicious gelato.
Huh? Changing in
My
texture.
goodness.
It's like sorbet,
Yeah.
but without having to make the sugar syrup. It's like next level.
Yep.
Vediamo. I think we're... That's number 1 done. What a hack.
I love it. I love
I
it.
love it too.
Repeat the process with 2 punnets of frozen blackberries and 125 mils of the chinotto.
Chinotto's one of my favorites. 3, 4, 5.
Boom! In Sicily, when you go to like a pasticceria to have this, they have this flavor called gelsi. It's this color.
Capito? Okay.
It's so good. Look how spongy. Okay, what I like to do is to tear it apart and then I get a bit of gelato. I'm gonna get both flavors because I have to taste for quality control.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in.
Si mischia.
Bello, beautiful. Oh, it's so good. And it's slightly fizzy.
Mamma mia, buonissimo. Buonissimo.
I know. Just a really joyous moment.